Hi everyone, what I'm going to explain has been verified by the mechanics working in this shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. If your Nissan Altima showed the message LDW BSW Malfunction, don't panic. It doesn't mean your car has gone crazy or is about to leave you stranded. What's happening is that the driver assist systems, the lane departure warning, LDW, and blind spot warning, BSW, detected that something isn't working properly and temporarily turned off for safety. The first thing you should check is something very simple but often overlooked: cleanliness. Dust, mud, insects, leftover wax, or even raindrops can block the sensors or the front camera. When that happens, the system gets confused and triggers the warning. Many mechanics in this shop say that after thoroughly cleaning the camera and front radars, the message disappears instantly. Next, another big factor is weather conditions. Heavy rain, snow, fog, direct sunlight, or high humidity can make the sensors act up a little. In these cases, nothing is broken. The system just disables itself until conditions improve. That's why some mechanics recommend driving a few minutes in normal conditions, and often the message goes away on its own. Now, if the warning appears and disappears intermittently, that usually points to a temporary electronic glitch. It can happen after disconnecting the battery, performing maintenance, or from strong vibrations on the road. Some shop mechanics say that turning off the car, waiting a few minutes, and turning it back on often brings everything back to normal. If after cleaning, driving, and restarting the message still appears, then there could be a more serious issue: misaligned or damaged sensors, or a camera that's out of position. In these cases, a professional recalibration at the shop usually works. Some mechanics have even had to replace the front camera if it was damaged, but that's not the most common scenario. Finally, don't forget to check the battery and vehicle voltage. A weak or unstable battery can confuse the electronic modules and trigger these warnings. The mechanics in this shop say that simply charging or replacing the battery often makes the message disappear completely.